In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple photos using Gmail. This is a super handy skill, whether you're sharing memories from a recent trip or need to send images for a project. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you become confident in sharing images efficiently through Gmail. So grab your device and let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. You can do this by typing Gmail in your browser's address bar and hitting enter, or if you have it bookmarked, simply click your bookmark. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, sign in if necessary using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main inbox screen. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click that. Clicking Compose opens a new email window on the lower right side of your screen, providing you with all the fields necessary to send an email. Now click on the To field and enter the email address of the person or group you want to send the photos to. It's important to ensure their email addresses are correct to avoid bounce backs or your email ending up in the wrong inbox. Once you've done that, move on to the subject line and type a brief description of your email's contents. Now for the fun part, adding your photos. Look at the bottom of your Compose window, where you'll find a small paperclip icon which represents Attach Files. Click on this paperclip. Clicking will open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate through your folders to find the pictures you want to send. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and clicking each photo you wish to include. When you've selected all the pictures, click Open to attach them to your email. Keep an eye on the attachment status to ensure all photos upload completely before sending. This is indicated by a loading bar or a check mark depending on your browser or operating system. Once the photos are attached, take a moment to review your email. Check that all addresses are correct and review your subject line and any other content you've added. When you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and click the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Congratulations! You've just sent an email with multiple photo attachments via Gmail. Remember, depending on your internet connection and the number of photos, it might take a little time for them to upload and send, so patience is key. This skill is both practical and versatile, allowing you to share your snapshots with friends and family or collaborate with colleagues more effectively. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on sending multiple photos through Gmail. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.